The Bugatti Chiron is one of the world's fastest and most luxurious hypercars. But despite its incredible performance, it also has a few challenges that every owner should know about. Problem 1. High maintenance. The biggest issue is maintenance cost. Even a routine service can cost thousands of dollars because of the car's advanced engineering and premium parts. Solution: always follow the official service schedule and have the car maintained only by authorized Bugatti technicians. Problem 2. Tire replacement. The Chiron's ultra-high-speed tires wear out faster than normal sports car tires, especially after aggressive driving. Solution: avoid unnecessary hard launches and replace the tires on time using Bugatti-approved tires. Problem 3. Fuel consumption. The massive 8.0-liter W16 engine consumes a huge amount of fuel, especially at high speeds. Solution: drive smoothly during normal use and always use premium high-octane fuel recommended by Bugatti. Problem 4. Ground clearance. Because the Chiron sits very low speed bumps, and steep driveways can easily scrape the front bumper. Solution: use the front lift system before crossing bumps or entering parking areas. Owning a Bugatti Chiron is a dream, but it comes with serious responsibilities and high running costs. With proper maintenance and careful driving, this engineering masterpiece can deliver an unforgettable driving experience. Would you own a Bugatti Chiron despite these challenges? Let us know in the comments.